More than 15,000 executives, investors, and government officials are expected to attend the BioConvention in Washington, D.C. Bloomberg's Shannon Pettypiece is there, and she's standing by with venture capitalist Steve Burrill. Shannon, take it away.
Thank you very much, Eric. Well, Steve, thank you for joining me this early in the morning. Last time we talked, biotech had been through a tough 2 years. It looked like this year was going to be better. How has this year shaped up? A better year for biotechs?
It's been a pretty good year. We got raised about $60 billion in the United States, an amazing amount of money, the most money the industry's ever raised in any 12-month period. The industry saw 21 IPOs come to market. Those IPOs are slightly above water, so that's good. Capital markets are far more supportive. FDA a little bit tough, better on the approval times, tougher on a lot of the drug areas, particularly obesity. 3 obesity drugs did not get approved, that causing most of those companies to think about working on a more global basis. We had some marquee acquisitions, certainly the acquisition of Genzyme by Sanofi Aventis, the acquisition of Cephalon by Teva. Interesting transactions.
Yeah.
Lots of people think that that's a precursor for massive consolidation, but we've had a couple of marquee acquisitions every year.
Now, on the acquisitions, everyone's been talking about how pharma, their pipeline's dry, they need more products. We've been seeing a lot of deals that pharma's doing in biotech, but really not that many more than last year or the few years before. Are we going to see a big ramp up, or is this pretty much the pace that things are going to go when it comes to biotech deals?
Actually, if you look over the last 10 years, it's been pretty constant. The rate of deals are about the same. Deals are different in their nature. There's a substantially more risk sharing, that is to say more risk borne by the smaller companies, less borne by the big companies. They pretty much churn through the late stage stuff. Most of that's gone or already involved in partnerships. Moving back earlier, this year we saw 3 of the major drug companies do very interesting deals with academic institutions that kind of reach all the way around the biotechs back to the academic institutions, get access to technology.
So pharma wants things in late stage. Are there a few things they seem to be particularly interested in the companies you work with?
By and large, they don't want to own the risk of development. So the pharmaceutical industry has gone from research and development to search and development, where increasingly they're going to buy it late and pay more for it after the risk is taken out than own the risk of development.
All right, well, we'll definitely be watching for these deals, Steve.